Well, you're not going to believe this, but I've been using the sound of rewinding VHS tapes. That was just one thing that really just calms me down, just really is relaxing in a certain way. And it was just a way that helped me the most. These repetitive actions may be very common for people who have autism. Now, I have autism, and I find myself doing the exact same thing, whether it be just playing things over and over again, whether it be like a movie or a cartoon or whatever it may be. And same with sounds. I just play the same thing over and over again, whether it be music or a certain part of the music that I just end up just repeating over and over again. Why is this? Why are these repetitive actions just so common? And what use is it for them to do that? Well, one of the solutions about that, for the repetitive behaviors, is, for my case, whenever I watch an animated movie or anything like that, I would watch a certain part of this animated film. One of the reasons why is because I really like how the characters react in this particular certain area, or just how they look, and whether it be like their different emotions, sad, anger, happiness. All these different kind of things that go on, and you can easily understand and identify with what's going on in these moments of the film. And next to that, so there was also things like in terms of sound. So like you just play that sound over and over again, in movies and cartoons, and sometimes in TV shows now today, because you have the ability to rewind and fast forward and all these different cool stuff that you do nowadays. And it's almost the same thing. You can easily identify the facial expressions that go on. That's just one of the reasons why people with autism want to identify, okay, so this is happening, this is what they feel like. That's what they were trying to do, and try to observe, and also try to not just observe but also absorb. Just absorb all these different information, these different moments, whether it be, okay, so this is the part where they soon become good friends, or great rivals, or anything like that. Any of these moments that start to trigger an interest of what they want to do. But that's just my experience. It's like every time I see this thing over and over again, it's like, man, I want to be a part of that too. So that's one thing. I just wanted to that I like to do that over and over again. Another thing why I would hear certain sounds over and over again is because it's just relaxing. It's just calming. It's just a way to in a way to deal with the stimulus and just decompress a certain way. What were one of the sounds that I used? Well, you're not going to believe this, but I've been using the sound of rewinding VHS tapes. I would play the movies all the way through, and then just stop, collect the VHS tapes, and then just take the time to just stop and rewind. And for those who have VCRs, you know what they would sound like. You can easily tell that they're rewinding or playing or whatever goes on. For me, just hearing the VCR doing its work, that was just one thing that really just calms me down. Just really is relaxing in a certain way. And as bizarre as it may seem, it was just a way that helped me the most. And I would just hear those sound effects over and over and over again until I felt like I was totally in control. And that was just one of those things I really enjoy. So when it comes to repetitive behaviors, a lot of it is observation. A lot of it is absorbing information, of what goes on, and also just figure out, hey, I kind of want to do that, whether it be make a face, which means you're happy, or anything like that. And as for sounds, hearing these things over and over again, it's just a way to calm down and to relax. And it is understandably takes a while to find a new sound that's really calming, or just expanding the different genres of music or anything like that. So it takes its time to expand when it comes to those certain areas. But as it turns for repetitive behaviors, it can really help those who have autism in their own specific, unique ways.